Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and once again we're going to be taking a look at the futures live trading room trades of the day for Wednesday, May 22nd. We had a great day today. Lots of very excellent trade opportunities, lots of excellent signals, and many of the people in the trading room were extremely profitable. I don't think anybody told me that they were down at all today, so lots of great trades. And I'm only going to point out a couple of them, but we also had shorts and bonds from the high off the same news announcement. We had longs in corn that were carried over from yesterday that played out very nicely because corn continued to rally through the roof today. We had shorts in crude oil, RBOB, and heating oil from yesterday that were carried over to today that continued to play out as they moved lower. But we're going to talk about just two of the trades that worked out extremely well. These are what I consider trades of the day. The first one we're going to talk about is the euro. Now we had a short in the euro off of this bearish divergence here on a 30-minute chart. Bernanke came out and started talking, and we all know the market started shooting through the roof. We had all the currencies rally, we had gold rally, we had the indices rally, we had bonds rally. And then what ended up happening is this formed a bearish divergence where we had higher high prices and a significantly lower high indicator on our MQ momentum. We also reached significantly overvalued according to value charts, which is a very rarely traded in price point. So we went ahead, took the short right up near the highs. We were looking at it and we put our stop just beyond 1.30 because we didn't want to see it go above 1.30, so we were risking about 10 ticks with our stop loss. That got you in around 1.299, 1.289 in that area, and this market sold off from just about 1.3 at the highs all the way down to a low so far today of 1.28. So over 100 ticks, about 160 ticks it sold off to the downside, so a very nice trade. This was also a fair value snapback. If you were watching that, you could have caught it from the fair value snapback, which is what we did with the Australian dollar. We got shorts in the Aussie at the same time that we shorted the euro due to a fair value snapback trade, but that's a whole story for another day. The next trade I'm going to talk about is a short in gold off of the same type of situation. We had gold here. We had originally shorted gold over here off of a 5-minute bearish divergence. Now that sold off fairly well. That went all the way down from 1396 roughly to a low at undervalued of 1382, so about $14 an ounce. Then this ended up turning around and rallying straight back up after Bernanke started talking. The problem with this rally is that it was a bearish divergence here on our 30-minute chart. So we watched, once it got significantly overvalued, went ahead, we took the shorts, we saw the tick chart start rolling over and turn into a downtrend according to MQ trend and MQ regression. Once that happened, we had the okay to take the short with our stop just beyond the high. I know for a fact that there was people in the trading room, one of the traders in the trading room made $7,000 off this trade by pyramiding on his original entry and only risked $200 on the initial entry. So that's a very nice reward risk ratio. Ended up working out very well in our favor. Gold sold off from right around 1412 all the way down to a low where it hit a trend line that we've been talking about of around 1366. So very nice move. Great trade you could have had there in gold over $30 an ounce. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about the indicators or about value charts and how we trade these markets or about the futures live trading room, feel free to go to valuecharts.com or click the link at the bottom of the page. That's all I have for today. So until next time, happy trading.